Hi guys, today we're going to be making homemade
jelly
fruits.
And today we're using juice, tape, a bowl, a plastic bag, and jello.
Of course. So first, we're going to start with the jello. So let's dump the jello in the bowl. And then we're going to open up our juice and pour it in. Don't pour a lot, just pour some. And then you should mix it until you get jello-y.
It's kind of hard, but you just gotta stir or something.
Or you can just mash it. So it can get to like little.
Comment down below if you
made homemade jelly fruits like us. Because now jelly fruits are probably like sold out because a bunch of people bought them. So now we are going to put them, so you have to look at them and see if it looks really like liquidy kinda, like with a bunch of like particles from the jello. So then after you do your last mixing, and then you get ready and you pour it in. Now we're going to pull it up. Make sure all of the sides and parts will be closed. Pick it up. Uh-oh. We'll pick it up. Well, you can put it back down if you want to. Get tape. And put it around.
Could you help me?
Yeah, sure. You put it around.
There's a hole.
Here, put this by the hole. There we go.
And I need the twisting.
Oh. Now, we made our own jelly fruits. So, come on, ready? We'll put it right around. This is really good, guys. Ooh.
Jelly fruits is fogging my tongue like the bomb. It's so good.
Finish it up, Aiden. Looks like
this is so good. Sorry guys for the moment. But now I'm done.
Thank you guys for watching our Airi's jellyfruit video. Woo!
Jelly.
Bye.
Jello.
Hope you guys will subscribe.
And jello for the likes. And if you don't like jelly fruits, you'll hate them.
Bye.